Hi, my name is Chnimay Joshi, and people call me the Dream Activist. I would like to share my experience with Umamahesh. He's not only an amazing coach, he's an amazing human being by heart. He's a giver, he's a contributor, and the best part is that he works with your mindset, and at the same time, he works with your spiritual aspects of your life as well. And he has impacted, he has helped hundreds and thousands of people. And if you get an opportunity to meet Umamahesh and get coached by him, grab that opportunity, because you know what, it's only once in a lifetime you get this kind of an opportunity to meet a persona like Umamahesh. So guys, that's what I would recommend, that you know what, if you really want to take your life to the next level, if you really want to take your journey of your life to the next level, Umamahesh is the person to be with. All the best.
Hi guys, my name is Rishi Abhishek Rongala. I am a transformational coach. I help people turn their lives into a living masterpiece. So I've worked with Umamahesh over the last few months, and we've worked together, we've participated in brainstorming sessions and strategy sessions, and I've seen him help so many people over the last few months. It is incredible. This man is so generous and kind at heart, and he usually goes out of his way to contribute to people, help them achieve excellence and become better people. And it's amazing to spend time with this person, because I've spent so many hours, and we've worked together on several aspects, and I've seen him coach people, and he's usually a busy person. But if you get a chance to talk to him or to work with him, go ahead and grab that opportunity, guys, because it's incredible to even spend 1 hour of time with Umamahesh. He's so amazing, so awesome, and he follows this core philosophy of giving more than receiving, and he always keeps giving. He's a huge contributor, and he has helped me personally and a lot of other people, and we work together, and it's a privilege to work with him. So if you get an opportunity, go grab it, guys, because this is not going to stay for long. He is the guy that's going to help you change your life.
Hi, this is Jayanti. I am a life coach and a relationship coach. I met Umamahesh in a session. Telling about the Umamahesh, I have got lots of benefits. You know, like I really am saying, I have so many transformation within myself. That's how he has got the changes within me. I can't speak by words. I can able to feel within me. You know, that's how Uma has got me in that way. So he's doing a fantastic job by not only giving guidance, and he's not a counselor. You need to understand, he's not a counselor. He's such a person, he used to transform people. That's the main thing which we, as a human beings, people are looking for. That's the biggest benefit which I got from Umamahesh Garu. So I'm feeling very happy. I wish him with my whole hearted, I'm wishing him the best.